In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Ford Flex. You'll have these located directly along the bottom of your windshield. You'll also find that the driver's side wiper blade is longer than the passenger side. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that I want to mention is that your wiper arm is spring-loaded, forcing it towards the windshield. So you want to make sure you're holding onto it firmly. Now with this in the upright position, if you were to come just underneath the wiper arm, where the wiper blade connects to it, you'll find a small tab. Go ahead and squeeze that in with your index finger and slide the wiper blade down the arm until it comes off of the hook. There's the hook, and there it is. Now we can get ready to install our brand new wiper blade. If you were to look at the adapter for this, you'll find that you have a curved area. That's where the hook is going to go over, and then we'll slide the wiper blade up the arm into the locked position. Listen for a click. Give it a tug. Assuming it's secure, carefully rest it against your windshield and make your way over to the passenger side and do the exact same thing.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.